organs of United Nations. Pay attention, you will learn something. All right, so I have to draw this. This is United Nations. Let's consider the organs. Number one, we have the General Assembly. All right. Number two, we have the Security Council. All right. Number three, we have the Secretariat. Number four, we have Economic and Social Council. Number five, we have International Court of Justice. Number six, we have Trusteeship Council. All right. These are the organs of United Nations. The General Assembly. The General Assembly is the main policy making and representative body of the United Nations. It comprises of all member states. All right. The Security Council is responsible for international peace and security. It consists of 15 members. The Secretariat is the administrative arm led by the Secretary General. This is the administrative arm. The Economic and Social Council manages economic, social, and environmental issues. Now, let's consider International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice is the judicial body for settling legal disputes between states. Let's consider the Trusteeship Council. The Trusteeship Council oversaw trust territories, but it has been suspended, I think since 1994 or so. All right, this is organs of the United Nations. So anytime you hear United Nations, consider their organs: General Assembly, Security Council, made up of 15 members, the Secretariat led by the Secretary General, Economic and Social Council, International Court of Justice, Trusteeship Council. If you have learned anything from this video, share it and follow for more.